Okay, boy. I'll see you in Bangalore.
In Bangalore?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are you going the fast route or the slow route?
I'm taking a flight, so I'll be 1 hour. Yeah.
Go easy, my man.
Yeah.
No, somebody left it here.
Oh, look after yourself.
To clear up other
See if you can pick up any drones up there that are missing.
Yeah.
That'd be nasty.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes.
This is how I saw the morning when I woke up at our resort next to the backwaters in Kumarakom.
And I tell myself
It was the last day from the trip, and the entire journey struck to me as a flashback.
the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place when spring is coming.
The plan was to cover a distance of 80 kilometers from Kumarakom to Kochi, from where I was taking a flight back to Bangalore. Hello YouTube, meet my friend Avrit. He does not talk much on camera, but he is a very good photographer. Together we decided to join 17 riders for an adventurous trip across the beautiful and dynamic terrains of South India. Well, there were 19 of us. I will introduce you to rest of them through the journey. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and today is day 7 from the trip, and today is actually the last day from the trip, and we'll be going to Kochi. But before that we are going to have a boat ride over here, and after that we'll have a lunch at this place, and then we'll start for Kochi. So yeah, like we have all packed and we are all ready for the ride, so I'll keep you posted. It was a day to laze around because there was not much of riding involved for the day. While we were sailing through the beautiful Vembanath Lake, I started looking for a place to fly my drone to capture the beauty from air. But
So this guy just lost his drone. How are you feeling about it now?
Yeah, like I lost my drone today, and I'm so stupid, like I didn't realize that the boat is moving. I flew it up and the boat moved and it crashed right at the corner of the boat and just fell off in the water. So I'm not really worried about losing the drone, to be very honest, but I took some really nice footage in the morning which I have lost. See, it's a part of experience, right? I mean, I have never flown a drone from a moving boat, so this is my first experience, and yeah, I got to learn from it, like, you know, what not to do in future, but I don't know what to say. Like, I'm not in a state to talk about it, so yeah.
Look out, here she comes.
You know, never regret a day in your life. Good days give you happiness, and bad days give you experience.
Yeah, I can't tell her how.
I continued my journey with similar thoughts, and soon we reached back to a resort.
I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this bit.
Not a lot, we're just getting ready for a short ride to Kochi. Just got a big ride tomorrow, so we can't hit it hard tonight. It'd be nice to have a bit of a short one, a bit of a break, especially in this heat. And then get ready for the sort of 380 Ks we've got a ride tomorrow to get to, I think it's Uti, which not. It's going to be a long day tomorrow.
After a short break at the resort, we started our ride towards Kochi. We stopped for refueling our bike and a quick snack break.
No more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. It never come back. Yeah, I could have been a pop star, but I was shit at singing.
What's up, Jake? What's up? It's cool. It's cool. Yeah, got used to it now. From wearing this all the time. So when I take it off now, I feel normal, sort of.
As we were moving closer to Kochi, I could sense that my 8 days adventurous journey was finally coming to an end. I have made some really good friends on the trip and will be looking forward to meet them soon.
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we have just reached our hotel at Kochi. We are staying at Rosetta Wood Castle. It was a good ride, but then it's very hot and everybody is like sweating like anything. But I must say, like, the place is really nice. On the way I saw like some really nice bridges, but I unfortunately cannot shoot that because I just lost my drone. It crashed in the water in Kumarakom. But yeah, I mean, I think I'll definitely come back here again. I'm literally in love with the landscape when you're just entering Kochi. So yeah, like so the idea is to like freshen up over here. We'll have a lunch over here, and then we'll go and explore the town a little bit.
Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. This was the end for my South India bike trip. Stay tuned for more videos.